Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop your controller from automatically opening Steam on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into Steam, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu labeled Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration panel where you can adjust various preferences and features. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Controller. This section gives you full control over how Steam handles your gaming controllers and their inputs. It's where you can customize everything from button mappings to how Steam interacts with your controller hardware. Now, within the controller settings, click on Show Advanced Settings. This reveals additional configuration options that aren't visible by default, giving you deeper control over controller behavior. These advanced settings are essential for fine-tuning how your controller communicates with Steam. In the advanced settings area, look for an option called Guide Button Focuses Steam. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. This is the key step that prevents your controller's guide button from pulling up the Steam overlay or interface whenever you press it. By disabling this, you're telling Steam to stop hijacking that button press. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Library. This takes you to your game collection where you can see all the titles you own on Steam. From here, you'll be able to adjust settings for individual games, which is important because some games have their own controller configurations. In the left panel of your library, locate the game you want to adjust controller settings for. Right-click on the game title, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This opens a dedicated settings window for that specific game, allowing you to customize how it behaves independently from your global Steam settings. Within the Properties window, look at the left panel again and click on Controller. This brings up controller-specific options for this particular game. Here's where you can override Steam's default controller handling on a per-game basis. Finally, click on the drop-down menu that appears and select Disable Steam Input. This completely turns off Steam's controller layer for this game, meaning Steam won't intercept or process any controller inputs. The game will handle your controller directly without Steam's involvement, which should eliminate any unwanted Steam pop-ups when using your controller. And that's it. You've successfully configured Steam to stop opening when you use your controller. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.